sick and sink. Sick. Sick can be used as both an adjective and a noun. As an adjective, sick means unwell or ill. It is often used to describe a person who is not feeling well physically or mentally. As a noun, sick refers to vomit or the act of vomiting. Examples: she felt sick after eating too much candy. The flu made him sick for a week. Sink. Sink is a verb that means to descend or drop to a lower position, typically under the surface of water. It can also refer to a fixed basin with a water supply and a drain that is used for washing hands, dishes, or other items. Examples: the ship started to sink after hitting an iceberg. Please wash the vegetables in the sink. Differences. The main difference between sick and sink is their part of speech and primary meanings. Sick is primarily an adjective, noun related to health or illness, while sink is a verb or a noun related to descending or a basin for water. However, both words can be used figuratively, such as sick in the context of something being morally wrong, or sink in the context of a sinking feeling. It's important to pay attention to the context in which these words are used to understand their intended meanings accurately.